Oh my gosh, there's no way. You have to be kidding. Please tell me you're kidding. Please tell me you're kidding. Oh man. Alright, guys. New day, fresh start. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Oh, give me. Alright, gappers. We got Revy, Rev V. We got NRSN again. Oh, now NRSN flies. ASPN. Dine. And then RDBX again? Oh yeah, I'm not trading RDBX. Alright, good morning, people. Ridishin here. Jose. Ya listo. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Risky. Damn. Good start. Made money shorting RAV and NRSN already. How did? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. NRSN had a very nice squeeze, so I'm interested to see NRSN keep this going. All highs on NRSN are $8. We're almost to 5. So NRSN looks good so far. Although we need to get back over VWAP on NRSN. So we got NRSN and then we got REV B though. It's not the same one, Darth Trader. It's a different one. Or unless REV is still also up. But this one that I'm seeing on Gappers is REVB. I'll look at REV as well also. But REV and RSN. ASPN as well. Oh, this is a higher price stock. 1571 is a high. Pre-market high is almost 14. And I'll see if we get over VWAP on this one. So that's ASPN. British Day unrealized 1630. Nice, Blair. Good morning, Blair. Zach and Arsen had good news this morning. I do like Arsen's chart today. And definitely a lot of people are gonna wake up to being negative if they were shorting that stock. A lot of people are probably trying to short that stock and they might be getting burned. So Dina is another one, 275 high. I'll take a look at it if we get over that VWAP line. Oh, let me look at Reb. Oh, I guess I already had it on my side chart here somehow. It is kind of making a nice move, but it's at $5, not even barely $5, and highs is still like 8 on Reb, so I'm not looking at Reb. And then RDBX is the last one, but I also do not feel like trading RDBX. So I probably will not trade. Juan trades, join the shorting army. I want to, man. I really do want to. I just haven't decided what broker I want to do, so if I should just stick with Thinkorswim. Right now I'm trying the e-signal thing, and my option was either I want to try e-signal and maybe use Dash Trader for Thinkorswim, Because if I use Dash Trader, I can still buy into plays and now be able to put stop losses and all that stuff a little faster. But I don't know. We'll see. So NRSN, REVB. What was the other ones? Oh, it's right here. ASPN, DNA, RDBX. See, I like NRSN. I do want to short though, but I might eventually maybe open a Trade Zero account and just kind of have that one open all times or something if I see a good short, but we'll see. Do you still get the same 4-to-1 or 3-to-1? You still get the same 4, 3-to-1, whatever margin when you short. If NRSN breaks downtrend and holds, that seems like a possibility. Yep, 3-to-1. So I do like NRSN so far, so we'll have to keep an eye on that one. It looks like it might be the best stock today, this morning. We just need to get over VWAP, which if we get over VWAP, we're also going to be breaking that downtrend right there. A little bit of a downtrend right there. So we'll see if this stock can. First of all, let's see if we can hold this $4 right now, because that seems to be our support. So I know I keep getting burned on the breakout trading, and it's obviously a bear market. So I'm gonna try to keep my eyes open and try to buy lower, try to buy supports, try to buy more trend lines, and see if I can scale into trades a little better. I'm not gonna jump in crazy, but see if I can scale into trades a little better. By the way, guys, if you're also a beginner trader, that's how the market is, guys. There's not one strategy that is always going to work for 10, 15, 20 years. It's always going to be different. You're always going to have to be adapting. I'm not saying that strategy is going to completely change, but you might have to tweak it a little bit. You might have to figure something out. You might have to adjust to the market conditions. We are literally in a bear market, guys. So if you're breaking even, if you're making a little bit of money, if you're losing a little bit of money in this bear market in the low cap penny stocks, you're doing something right. And I'm serious. You guys see me struggling right now. I mean, month of June, I'm barely up like 3.5 or 4, a little bit under 4. I don't know what it is. It's like 3.5K. I've had 3 or 4 big red days that I took, but still, that's not a good day. I mean, that's not a good month, right? It's decent, but it's this bear market we're in. So just get through this, guys. That's funny, bad month. Yeah. I mean, I do understand that. I do get that. That's still a decent month, but what I'm saying to you guys is that do what the heck? Is to not get discouraged, because if you're trying to learn how to day trade now in this market, just get through this market, and maybe November, December, End of the year, I'll pick up. I'm pretty sure my chameleon is sneezing, and I've never seen him do that. That or he's choking on something. That's weird. Crypto Wire, good morning, Crypto Wire. How are you? How's everybody this morning? Last 6 months of the year should be the bullish. Hopefully. What's your best month ever, Juan? PNL. June of last year. June of last year. So that's what I'm saying. June of last year, bull market, everything was flying. Honestly, I wish I would have had some of those trades on video and recorded because I want to see if I was still doing the same thing, breakouts and chasing and buying high and selling higher. But I mean, last year of June, it was like 2 red days and everything else was like 1,500, 2,500, 2,000, 1,800, 900. So last year of June, I did made that. And that's as far as me having it recorded on TraderView. But I made 24K or something like that. Something stupid. What's the numbers? What do you mean? What's the numbers for what? Like every single day? On June last year? Yeah, I've shown that before. Have you not seen it? June last year was pretty nice. This is June last year for all of you guys. And these are real trades, real numbers. 1,200, 600, 800. Look at these trades last year. 2,600, 1,500, 900, 1,000, 1,200, 2,700, 1,300, 1,200, 900, 20. This was my birthday. Lost 1,800, 600, 2,400, 2,100, 1,700, 2,500, 1,800, 1,600. Look at this month. This was a beautiful month last year. These are the kind of numbers that I want to see again. It was a fluke last June for me. Yeah, that's all I'm saying, guys. Like, it was just up at 7 a.m. now down. I need to stop giving back profits and just take the one or two trades and be done. I forgot you trade pre-market crypto. You trade pre-market with TD? You just changed your time and force and all that? Good morning, Andres. Did anybody keep trading yesterday? I took a look at a few stocks during the day and everything just seemed so slow, so it didn't look like anything was crazy or missed any action or anything like that. That's all I'm waiting for, guys. Those same P&Ls that I had last year on June. I just want something like that again to be able to do that. Feels like I will never make back the 6K I'm down. Yes, you will. You just gotta take it slow, Blair. You're not gonna make it all in 2 weeks, man. I'm telling you, day trading is a long term. This is why people fail. You have to take it slow, man. Go slow. Make $5 consistently for 2 to 3 months, and then make 50, and then make 100, and then like keep upping it. At some point, you have to get rid of that daily P&L, like I tell you guys. But yeah, yes, you gotta stop the negativity, Blair. You're gonna bring yourself down over and over again. Juan trades. Trust me, you can quadruple this if you start shorting. I think so too, man. I just feel like it sometimes. I think so too. But yeah, NRSN. Let me look at them again. Well, I guess I can look at from yesterday's. Not that one. AGN no. IMTE no. TWOU no. ACUS. Dang. Who shorted ACUS? It was Riddish, right? Oh my goodness, Riddish. Look what you missed out on. These are the ones that I'm telling. I even said the short on this one right here too. I literally yesterday I was like I would short this right there on that flush. I would short this on that flush right there. Riddish, you left so much money on the table. Hey, but it's okay, man. You can't get them all. You can't be so stressed about it, right? It's always going to happen. We all do it. Part of trading also. We got a little bit over a minute and a half. I'm glancing through previous stocks. TOUR looks like it wants to hit that $1 still. It's kind of still trending upwards, but I probably will not trade it. This one, IFRX. I guess IFRX wants to also, but guys, you have no idea how many times I've gone back and looked at AGRX and try to figure out what happened or how did I lose money. Like, I've literally gone and rewatched my live. I've literally gone and looked at the charts, looked at everything on AGRX. That's the one that I got burned on like Tuesday or something for like negative 1,000. I've gone back and looked at my trading. I've gone back and did everything on that one, and I still like, I'm still a little salty. Jesse, good morning, my homie. Hope my shorts pay off today. What did you have short? Actually, that SPY put that I had, we were about to open here in 18 seconds, 15 seconds. That put that I had on SPY, I was up about $150 on it yesterday, but I put a stop loss a little bit above break even, like $5 or $10, just to close it out if it came back up, which it did, and I got stopped out. So I'm not mad about it. I want to see NR send. That's the one I really want. NR send is trying to get this downtrend right here, break, and trying to get up to VWAP. We would have to hold $4, which is where we are right now. $4 is down here. So let's see if we can get on top of this downtrend on NRSN. NRSN is the stock that I'm looking at right now. Still trying to see if we get over this downtrend. Good morning, Mersa. I do see Reb on my side, but it looks like it also pulled back right away. NRSN can move fast though. $4, $4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to $5. Jofi, good morning. Good morning, Jofi. Got shorts on Tesla and D-Dog. I think Tesla pulled back. No, it's still trying to hold that low of 665 on Tesla. Amir, good morning. I want to see if NRSN breaks this downtrend and gets over VWAP. And then REVB is also trying to make a move. REVB is the one getting over VWAP right now. Good morning, Kevin. Up $11 on Ethereum today. Okay. And RSN still testing this downtrend, seeing if this 1 minute candle closes above it, but doesn't look like it. Maybe. Still wants it. Okay. Trying to find a good entry on it. Here's that VWAP now acting as resistance. We might have it. I do see REVB as well. Down 11K on Bitcoin. Yeah, I think I remember you told me when you bought it and it like the next day instantly drops. That sucks. REVB is the one making a little bit of a move right now. I'm going to take a look at REVB. REVB. And Arsen just flushed to that bottom. So NRSN has failed at $4 as support. REVB is halted. I didn't even realize. REVB is halted. Dang. Anybody jump in on that one right there? That might be good though to see if REVB gets halted and continues up, and that might help. REV now also REV is trying to get up here through that 550. So the high is 543, 550 is right there on REV. But seeing REV, this is gonna be hard to keep pronouncing all day long. REV and REVB. I'm gonna say RV and then oh never mind. I don't even know what to say for them. I guess I'll say the whole thing. Um, there was no setup. How could we jump in? That's what I was thinking. But I mean, you could have chased a break of downtrend, but that would have just been risky overall. Because if you would have chased a break of downtrend on NRSN, it wouldn't have played out. But somewhere in there ish. So that first candle there, buy the next pullback here, and then maybe get that rip. But yeah, I wouldn't have seen that either. And even when it did start taking off, I wouldn't have chased it like that up here, because that's the same thing that NRSN was doing. See, you get that first candle close above that downtrend, and then you had a pretty nice rejection. So, but I will say that REVB has a high of 195 with a $2 marker right up there. Chayton, I was thinking of playing break of 150 on REV since gap on daily. That would have been a play because the 150 is also right there with that downtrend, so it would have matched this double resistance. So when you break it, it could have been a good place to buy a breakout of 150. Jesse, it looks like Tesla is pulling back off that top, so maybe you could see that break of 665 today, 666 to the downside. So this halted at 834. And RSN also wants to get back into that $4. What's up, Alex Agaska? You're watching over on YouTube today. At least you have the same name, so I know it's you. And RSN, if we get back into this $4 and break this downtrend again, we could have some nice momentum back up to that VWAP play. So I would want to see NRSN to get back into that. Let me put my alerts for REVB so I can know when it goes live. The only thing I'm waiting on NRSN is to really reclaim $4. I don't want it to just be the resistance now and then pull back on that candle now. What time did I say REVB halted at? 34 and it's 38, so that's 8 minutes right there. Let's see if this one gets unhalted here in the next 30 seconds for REVB. Kevin, an RSN flush got you for $20. Yeah, I was looking at that $4 support as well, but now if it gets back over $4 on an RSN, that could be a good play. Looking at REVB on this halt resumption here. This should be 5 minutes here. I want this one to do something now because of an RSN trying to get back on that $4. Oh, look at Tesla now, Jesse. Oh, this one's live. A weak opening. Halted again. Nope, not yet, not yet. Trying to see if this one does want to get halted again, or more buyers step in back again on this one. New candle making new high 183. Can we keep ripping on this one? There's a new high. I'll take some small profit out just in case we don't squeeze, but I do see this one just hitting a new high. I do see this one breaking maybe even $2, so I'm going to try to hold most of these shares. I have 2,000 shares left, seeing if we get the break of $2, so I jumped in on this play. Let me see. Here's more buys again. Curl back up right away. Can we get a new high on the day? Can shorts for once get actually squeezed? Here we go, here we go. We're making a little bit of a downtrend on the 10 seconds. Oh, NRSN broke that downtrend again, and now it's acting it as support right now as we speak, I think. So I'm watching NRSN on the side, but I cannot trade it because I am still in on this one. So still holding this REVB move to see if we get that new high. 2,000 shares still on display, but I'm trying to be patient on some of these and really try to get that next move up. This one still seems to be holding pretty good. I was up 200-300 on it, but I'm trying to be patient on it. Here we go. Can we keep squeezing higher? There we go. Adding to this one, very small share size just to see if I can get this momentum. Looks like NRSN also pulled back. Did not hold that downtrend as support. Watching this 10-second chart to see if it helps me. Looks like we had a small downtrend break there. So next add is that 190. If we hit 190, people can start piling in on this stock and get that next move higher. I'm going to take those extra adds that I just added, take them back out. I still have 2,000 shares on this play right here. Looks like 180 is serving as support. So 179, 180 broke right there. Now we're still holding that bottom there, 176 as support. Trying to be patient on this play. Have still 2,000 shares. Very nice bottom tail on that candle right there. If this one can keep going higher. 40 seconds left. Stream is dead. Can you guys not hear me? Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me or no? Hello, hello, hello. I'm still in this trade, but I'm waiting to see if we really step in buyers here. Of course, it glitches right when I'm in a trade. So this is that break of that downtrend, right? Small little 1 minute downtrend right here would be the add 185. Here's a curl back up, 2,000 shares still. Here's a curl back up. Let's see if we can get that break of 195 and $2 break. So I'm gonna take a little bit more out. Okay, right there. Can we keep squeezing? Can we hit $2? We haven't broken a high. 195 and $2 is right up there. So people might have order ready at $2, which means if we get up there, I'll still have 1,500 shares to get that break of $2. So I'm trying to be patient on this, trying to hold my shares. I'll descale a little bit. I might have to fully get out. Oh my gosh. Now it still looks like we're holding that 180 as support. Is some things I will say that are a lot clearer to see on this 10-second chart. So I might re-add down here at that 176. If we drop down to 176, I might re-add to see if we still get this curl back up. I'll take a small add here, just right there. I think this one still has that potential to rip up to $2 and get a nice squeeze. And RSN is still below $4, so no trades on that one. It seemed like it wanted to go up through that, but it just could not hold $4 at all. The stock is looking weaker and weaker now. Is there anything else running? No, right? This seems to be the only play. I see RAV pulled back. I see NRSN cannot hold $4. Just short it real quick. AMD 30-second scalp, $9 profit. Good job, Darth Trader. And then Yofi Young, a possible bull flag setting up on RAVB. I do see this. So let's see if we can get this break now here. 195, $2. Maybe Sniper Trace got his order ready at $2, where shorts are really gonna have to cover. That high is 194. Adding to this trade to see if we can get the break right here all the way back up to 194, 195. We need this break here of 190. So next add people would have is 191 to get that squeeze up to way at 194, 195. I will say my time and sales is not flashing as much green as I wish they would do, and volume is slower on this candle. NRSN, I'm waiting for NRSN to get out as well, but REVB is just consolidating in this area, which could just be trapping both shorts and bulls, so it's going to pick a direction and it might flush real good. See, this is the ones that I'm trying to stay a little patient right here. But I might really have to cut this one out at 1. I want to see if buyers reclaim this whip here, this wick, this candle here, and make a nice little hammer candle and then back up to the top. Nope. I'm going to call it a losing trade right there. So back down to $91. And RSN back up to that $4 mark. Okay, well now this one wants to turn back around. It seems like that's literally keeps happening to me. And I even was a little bit more patient today. I literally tried to be a little bit more patient. And RSN also wants that. Oscar, I think my live on Tradecaster. I don't know why it does that sometimes, but it's back. It's back. So Sniper Trade still watching the trade at $2 on REVB. Let me see. NRSN. Ape Trades thinks NRSN. Let me see. Getting ready, holding 3-8 well. NRSN is holding that one very well. We're getting a nice pullback here now on REVB, which is hitting right into 171 support from pre-market. There goes NRSN as well. Can we get the break? Can we get the break and hold the VWAP on NRSN? NRSN $4 is pretty big. So if we break $4 on NRSN and hold it and break that downtrend, this might look good on NRSN now. This might look a little better on NRSN now. So I'm back on looking at NRSN. Kyrian is on NRSN already. He's buying NRSN. He's already in RSN. I'm gonna buy this little pullback here of that downtrend, so the break of that downtrend, and see if we hold it, and then see if we can keep moving higher. So we turn around at VWAP, but now we're on top of that downtrend, holding it. So I'm gonna get in here, small share size, and see if this one keeps wanting to break that VWAP and hold it. Here, we're trying to break this VWAP right here on NRSN. If we break this, we can get a nice little move. I'm going to take some profit on that trade real quick. No! Wait! Oh, I never changed my share size. It's close the whole thing, man. Dang it. I didn't mean to do that, but okay. I'll take 150 bucks there, I guess. I'll take that 150 bucks. I guess I'll take 150 bucks. Kyrian, you still holding? Ape trades. Hey, at least you made some money. Mersa also What? Oh, that's British. That's British. Good job, British. Good job. Good job, British. Good job, British. Up $600 on the day. And RSN has room to 5 if we can keep rallying back up. I want to see if we get another little dip or retest of VWAP or anything like that on this one. Blair now is up on the green side. Good job, Blair. Good job. And RSN probably trapped a lot of shorts down there at $4. So if we get a nice move like this, there we go. If we really start ripping up, we can start taking some of these shorts out and get a very nice move all the way up to 483, maybe $5. So here we go. Here we go. And RSN picking up some momentum. I wish I didn't sell all my position. Seeing if NRSN wants to rally back up. And then REV pulled down a VWAP, and you can draw a downtrend on the 1 minute on REV and see if you can get the break of downtrend and reclimb up on that one. NRSN wants to squeeze. NRSN wants to squeeze. We got to get over this 450. If we get over this 450, we can really get some nice momentum. Let's see if NRSN wants to. There's that downtrend break on your REV that I was just saying. Jofi said he could have made so much more if he held. Let's see if we get a nice move through 440, 441 all the way to 450. I bought 441 right there. See if we can keep squeezing up. I'm going to close those. Oh, I added. I am clicking the wrong buttons today. I don't even know if this is a fake flush or not because it pulled right down to VWAP. And that's what happens when you try to be patient on the place and hold the whole amount. I'm going to take a loss on this one now. Oh my god, guys. I can't catch a break in this market. Nothing wants to open up. I've been playing at smaller share size today and recently, and I was up 200, 250 on RAV at one point, and I was up 200, 250 on NRSN, and I did not get the break on both of those. But I was playing at very, very small share size, but trying to buy a little lower, which I still would have been up $500 on the day with that smaller share size. So, yeah, bro, I can't wait to trade a bull market. I came back at the worst time possible. Yeah, so this really does suck. I'm just waiting for the one stock that rips shorts out the way and just destroys them. Because after that, ain't nobody want to short. They're all going to lose big on one stock that explodes them. So now we've tucked ourselves under a VWAP. And then REV and just... REV is wanting to hold VWAP, but that's a lot of attempts on REV already. So if it wants to do something, it's got to do it pretty soon. Return of the longs. Nah, man, that's not how it works. Behead did fuck a lot of shorts. If you don't ego trade and accept small losses shorting, then you can make way good monies. No, I know, but so many. Somebody on YouTube is calling out SCWO. Here is REV though, trying to get another move back up. SCWO. Eh. See, look at this. Any attempt to at a spike, it just gets eaten up. I get what you're saying, Riddish. I get what you're saying, but I feel like so many people, even like me right now, right, that I'm like, I want to try short. I want to try short. A lot of unexperienced shorts are gonna jump into some short trades and get burned, and they're not gonna want to do it. Sold the whole position, meant to sell half. Yeah, I meant to take half. Tesla had a very nice run up to 690-ish, 687 and pulled back, but it does have that support at 668. Oh, here goes REV. It's like everything, bro. If I could count the amount of people who say, teach me how to trade stocks, they lose 200 and they quit. Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm saying, guys. This is a patience game. This is a patient game. Riddish, make some rules, follow it with utter discipline, accept red days like a champ, then you can play both ways. I still go long, but I like the option of going the other way too. Oh, I think I'm pretty disciplined when it comes to this. I've taken 3 or 4 $1,000 trades recently, and I'm trading okay. I downsized a little bit, trying to maybe modify strategies a little bit, get in a little bit lower, find the lows of that move instead of trying to buy up here and waiting for that breakout because nothing is working. Maybe anticipate those trades and then and stuff. But this is how the market is. So even now, guys, in a bear market, and if we're breaking even, having trades like this, that's okay. Warrior Trading says don't flip flop. That's because he's so good at doing one thing, right? He's so good at doing one thing. He doesn't need to go short. Although I have seen him take some shorts, and the few times that I saw him take a short, I'm like, what the heck are you doing? I was like, this is the perfect spot where you would go long. Rev had a nice break of downtrend. And RSN, like VWAP right now is holding as very strong resistance on NRSN. I'm seeing Rev try. I haven't taken a trade today on dress. Okay. Hey, I feel like you're always these already in somewhere. Sniper Chase probably hasn't taken any trades either. We didn't get any big moves to a good resistance. RDBX, somebody's saying. No, if anything, I'm seeing the curl back up on REV, which would probably be the one that I want to see the most right now. But we would have to rip up through here to these levels pretty quick and get back up. So is NRSN. It's trying to reclaim that VWAP, even though there was a lot of shorts right there. Over 1.8, yep. 1.8 was that resistance earlier that we were using as support. 170, this one right here, 176, and then 179 it looked like, so 1.8, so I do see that as well. People are gonna be at 1.8 though, so we gotta be careful here. Here's that 1.8. This would be a good place maybe if we hold this 1.8 on REV. And then 183 is a double top on the 5-minute candle. I've been trying to look at that one more as well to be a little bit more patient and find the trades that line up with everything. So REV still have it on watch right now, right here. I'm going to try to scoop some shares right here, right below 1.8. See if 1.8 wants to hold and reclaim that 1.8. Scoop some shares down here right below 8. See if it pops up right over 1.8 and candle closes above it. This stock just, you can tell, it's hard to borrow, dang. Pussy's out because of low volume. This is not even going to reclaim that one. I like the music. How do y'all hear the music? There's no way you guys should hear music. How do y'all keep hearing music? What the heck? Nice. REV is not going to do anything here. Okay, never mind. Waiting to see if this one reclaims that 1.8. Second day in a row they hear your music. What the fuck? There's nothing. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, okay, lazy trader, how do you hear my music? Do you hear it clear? Do you hear it like vaguely? How do you hear this? My headphones suck. I don't know, but these people, it's pretty quiet. Oh wait, Ape Trades, you can hear it. No. Ape Trades can hear it. He just said the name of the song. What the heck? I kept wondering why every once in a while my freaking YouTube keeps telling me copyright claim. Bro, that's crazy. Oh, there goes REV. So this stock right here, REVB, wants to hold at 1.8. The 5-minute candle looks good. It's making a little hammer candle, trying to close above 1.8. So I want to see if this one really takes off again and gets up to that 190. While walking across the map. You play Warzone, right? Or what do you play? Here's REVB again. Here's REVB. Can we get a nice move on REVB or something? RVB is not looking good now. I mean, this is like the fourth attempt to get over 183, and we cannot. So. Fortnite and COD multiplayer. Okay, you still play Fortnite? I thought you said you hadn't been in it in a while. You hadn't played it in a while. Look at all this volume that just like candle starts. Tesla finally broke down. Oh, there's that 666 I've been saying too. There's that 666. Bro, I'm starting to think if I'm starting to think I might not like. I don't think my headset is that cheap either. But it is kind of old. The freaking foam is starting to break and stuff. Oh my gosh, man. Look at this stock. Recently, this week I had never seen so many candles stop at the same penny several times in a row. Like it happened on NRSN the other day. It happened on maybe I think AGRX yesterday or 2 days ago. Like I have never seen so many candles to one penny stop completely. But this one's gonna pick a direction here, so look, watch. It's gonna go up to 182, and look at the ask on 182, 190, 193. It keeps going higher. 100. It won't break. It just doesn't break. Here we go. Attempt number 2600 to 182. Here we go. Attempt number 3700th now to break 182. Can we break 182? You could have an order ready, but I'd be scared it pops out of 182 and they just rejoin higher. But here we go. Nope. Okay, little fake flush there on now on our side. Okay, okay, okay. Can this stock actually do something, man? It's so hard to hear, but I have a $300 headset. I play PUBG Steam on it. Okay, okay, okay. Sometimes the only way to win is to not play the game, and I think that's exactly the kind of market we are in. My headphones are so bad, I hear footsteps from the left side, and the dude ends up coming from the opposite. I think you just have them on backwards, man. Possible dip buy on Reb at 3. Bro, this stock is pissing me off. I'm taking that loss. I'm not gonna freaking. It's pissing me off. REV possible dip buy at 550. I do see REV possible dip buy at 550. Wait. 552. Oh, I think it flushed as soon as you said that. See, that is why I got out of REV, because I saw that happening. I mean, you have, here's as clear as day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles getting stuck at the exact same penny. 6 candles. And you just could not break that downtrend and couldn't break that horizontal resistance. So I just decided to call it a trade. Just look at RDBX now. It's going to the moon. RDBX to the moon. I got them on sale for like 50. Dang. You jinxed the Jofi. Nice. How much you played? How much you paid, bro? I was looking the same ones yesterday. The only problem is that this dongle is not USB-C as my Mac. Okay, 250 shows on red. Okay, okay, I got them on sale. Yeah, you could probably get an adapter. It'd probably be easier. Mine are Corsair. You know what? Let me see. Now I'm curious. Corsair HS60 Pro Surround. My headset are like, oh my gosh, like $70, $90. 88, 85, 99, 120, 110, 61 on this one page. So yeah, I don't have the bougie headsets. Dang, I think I'm right on the day again. I had 250 profit on REVB, and then I had 250 profit on NRSN. Not realized I was on those trades, but up 51 on this one, and then down 73. So I'm right $23 on the day. At least I'm downsizing just to get over this rough patch, but this is ridiculous. You made 24 on NRSN and lost 14 on REB. Wait, what is this chart up? Should have shorted it again at 183. So much resistance. Yeah, that's the one I was saying. That's the one I was holding. Try to get that break of 183, but we never got it. That 183 is what I was looking for. Jesse, are you still holding short Tesla? I think 666 breaks on Tesla and it's gonna fade again. RPID, RPID. Oh, this one looks good. High of 469 double topped already though, but that break of downtrend would have been nice on this one. Who called it out? Jofi? RPID doesn't look, I was gonna say, it doesn't look bad if it actually recovers. It wants to hold this low right here of 145, $4.50. RPID needs a little bit more volume, but it doesn't look bad. 469 is a high. Trying to hold 450 right now. This one just needs to pick up some volume. Oh, there we go. I'm going to take a stab on this one. Only 500 shares. Let's see if this one wants to crawl back up to that high of 469. See if volume starts stepping in here. I'm going to add a little bit on this little candle here. Here we go. See if we get another attempt at 469. And RSN finally broke that 38. And RSN looks like it's done for today. Looking at RPID to see if we get a break of highs here. Waiting this one candle out. See if it wants to recover and then get a stab again at 469. We've double topped it twice, which there could be a lot of shorts. But I'm in here at 461. So currently dancing between negative and positive on this trade to see if we get that attempt at 469. But every time we pop up, it just fades down, so no buyers really stepping in. As soon as it pops green, time and sales goes red instantly. Instantly goes red. And then it pops down, like right there, it's popping down, and I don't see green. See, there's no green on time and sales. If anything, I saw more red for that little flush down there. Even there, too. Oh my gosh, man. Pev should halt here in 2 minutes. Pev got halted. Pev has a high of 8.5. It already resumed. Look at this. Sold one put at 65, still holding one to 35% gain. I made 50% on D-Dog put. Nice. Guys, this market is so bad. Like, I'm sorry, even my stream is probably boring to watch, guys. You guys are literally just seeing me here take small paper cuts and not get one clean breakout, guys. I honestly don't know how you guys are still watching me. Like, I appreciate you guys staying in here because this is not fun. Not fun for me. Not fun for you guys. And then Monday is no trade date either. So Monday, July 4th, no trade. But holy crap, man. Because it's free. Bro, I even thought about that too. I was like, bro, like this last week, I would not pay for somebody to just sit here and talk and lose money. But no. It's just how the market is. It's just how the market is. I can't wait for this to go back into a bull market. Yeah, and hopefully you guys are still learning. I mean, even through a bear market, which is where successful day traders are, right? Everybody can make money on a bull market. Everybody can buy, and the stock is going to rip up, and you might not even know what you're doing. This one, look, but see, watch this. Look at this volume down and off here on RAV, right? As the stock is going down, that volume is also going down. So, not good signs to see. Ape Trades, you might have some Juan Trades, yeah, for sure. Learning a ton from you and the channel here for sure. Thank you, Blair. Thank you. Lazy Trader, I love bro. You mean I love you, bro? Nice person. Appreciate it. Monday will you be live from the lake? Play by play on your fishing, bro. I can do that. No, actually, I am gonna be on the lake Saturday. I'm going back home again. So Debbie, if you're still in chat, I think you were one of the few people that are in San Antonio, right? Somebody said they're from New Braunfels, but close. I haven't seen Debbie chat in a while. I think I saw her say good morning the other day, but I don't know if she's still in here. My halt scanner criteria is 1 to 10 and not more and up. There's Debbie. Hey Debbie, what's up? I haven't seen you chat in a while. You're what do they call them in Twitch? Lurker? You're a lurker. Nice. Fingers crossed. Are you the person that's from New Braunfels? Somebody's from New Braunfels recently, so. No, not you. No, Debbie. I know you're from San Antonio, but somebody not too long ago said New Braunfels. Oh, that was a new guy from yesterday, I think. Yeah, another very crappy day, guys. Another very crappy day. So, and you guys are seeing this. For example, on REV, I had a trade. I think it was in this area. No, the first trade. Let me see. Hi, Stormy. Stop flashing your butt to all these people. So REV, I started writing it up here. Dang, Jesse's up 1100 on puts today. Good job. So which trade was it? This one right here, 179. Dang, I was a little late to this party, it looks like. I still must Stormy. Lay right there. Um I don't remember much of it, but I had a great time. Videos and pics look epic. Rose Room. I haven't heard of that. So I'll have to check it out. So one of these plates, I was scaling in pretty nice. I was riding it back up and trying to get that break. It never broke. I was still up like $200, $250 on it. I held my position for that next curl up, but this is just a market we're in, right? If you were able to at least see where I'm jumping in and stuff like that, and see these plays when we're back into a bull market, which this probably has been the slowest we have had all year. Same thing on NRSN. Let me see if it shows my plays. I think Thinkorswim has a mind of its own. This one also break of downtrend. Looks like I added, and then I re-added higher, waiting for that 450. Ended up stopping out, so that one also would have ripped through that 450. And then even that, like in a hot market, guys, I guarantee you, when I traded last summer, I do see DRMA, and you called it earlier too. $1 would be the target. This obviously every share under $1 like this, that's the main target they want, $1. I'm gonna get. Oh no, I hate when I have this thing. I'm gonna see if this one wants to keep going up to that $1. Break of 97 will take us to $1. Break of 96, 97 will take us to $1. There we go, 97 to the penny. Where's 97 something? Shows 97 break. 97.11, 98. There we go. Can it keep 98 something? This is moving by like tenths of cents of pennies. I'm gonna take a little more out there. Have 500 for the break of 1 if it wants to do it. So I scaled out of that one a little bit right before $1. With this momentum that we've had, I don't expect everything to just break. This one would have already ripped through $1. Frustrated, gave back to my gains, had to stop out to prevent any crazy losses, but now I would be in profit. Shake my head. That's okay, that's okay. They're looking on DRMA to see if this one wants to curl back up to that $1 and break $1. And then REV wants to curl back up. It's now back under that downtrend. It's trying to break that downtrend, but I don't know what to think of that stock. Paul APRN. What stock am I on? I am on right here, guys. Stock up here at the top right. So DRMA right now. DRMA is the stock that I am looking at. This looks like a topping tail in the 5 minutes, so this might not end up working out. But looks like $1 might not work out. But it still wants it, so I'd still keep an eye on this and see if this one wants to hold these lows right here of 90 cents and then curls back up. So 90 cents wants to hold. Candle has 10 seconds left. See if this one. Look at REV. Try to break that downtrend and then flush. Who's heading out? Oh, Ape Trades. Thank you for being here, Ape Trades. I think you're still into green, right? So Sniper Trades is looking at 101 entry on DRMA. So I held through that little pullback. I could have added that 90 cents. Looks like 90 cents wanted to hold. So this is now back up, trying to come up to $1. So let's see if we do get this move back up to. Good job, Jesse. I read your comment. I think I said it out loud, but good job on 1100 on your puts today. Back to that 96.99, so 97 again. I want to stop out. $30 profit on that one. Not the best, but okay. Be going sideways since the start of April compared to consistently losing from November, March. I think that's an improvement considering the times where that is definitely an improvement. Bradley Rogers, that is definitely improvement, man. And this is a bear market, and if you break even on a bear market, you're doing something right. You're doing something right. So everybody, every time you guys come into my stream, and I know I'm switching stocks. There's no way to put a background ticker on it or something like that, but you can see it at the top right. So my active trader's right up there, and it'll tell you the name of the stock that I am trading and where my active trader is. Sniper Trades, I don't know if you took off already, but thanks for joining us today, and you have a good rest of your day. Jess Browns, are you taking off? Yeah, no problem, Bradley. No problem. No problem. For those of us that have been trading for, for those of us that have been trading since like no, I'm not taking off. No. Oh, Blair is. All right, Blair, take care, man. Take your profit and walk away. Close the stocks today. Hold on, I need to turn my fan on. For those of us that are still, or what was I saying? I don't remember what I said. Oh, for those of us that have been trading even since like last year, do you guys notice the big difference between the bull penny stocks and low cap stocks last year compared to this year? Like, is your profit reflected or no? Are you trading the same, or are you still trading better and making more money this year? So for those that have been trading since last year, because I know my P&L has gone down, so. BBBY. Is that Beth Bath and Beyond? Beth Bath and Beyond. Dang, this one's back to $5. Oh, maybe I'm just getting confused because I thought the stock was higher. Momentum scanner has been so dry, gosh. I just. Okay, just Bronson said, hell yeah. I feel like I started trading in such a good market and failed in a bear market. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I downsized a lot, just Bronson. Good job, good job. I'm mostly the same on day trades, but my longs and swings have been getting consistently murdered. Okay, yeah. I think you took a loss yesterday too, right? I saw you, I got off stream and then I think I saw you comment afterwards that you had a red day yesterday. But, I mean, I've had 3 or 4 red days, so. And you guys see it. For those of you on YouTube, Sniper Trades over on Tradecaster, they call him the Green Goblin because he's always green. His P&L's $800, $900, $1,000, whatever you call it, but pretty good consistency. I don't think he's had a single red week since like last September or something like that. And he also took a $1,500 loss yesterday. So it's not me. It's not just him. It's not that we don't know how to trade. It's just the market. But we'll just get through this. Just break even, downsize, guys. I mean, I am. Let me see how what I'm sitting on the day. I might be break even or barely a little bit of profit. Oh, I am negative. I'm negative $50. Wow, that would be 3 red days in a row. I think that's a record. If I finish red today, I literally think that would be a record, which is kind of crazy. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. 3 red days in a row. That, you know what that tells me? That next day, tomorrow, yesterday was lost for 1500. Last red week was September 2021 on my day trades. However, I think I'm gonna break that this week. Yeah. Look at this, guys. This is my calendar for 2022. Locking in 3 red days right there. It looks like I did have 3 red days in January, but back to 2021. 1, 2 red days, 2 red days, 3 red days. Looks like October might have been a little bad. 2 red days, 3 red days. So in over a year and a half of information, I've had 1, 2, 2, 3. Today would be fourth. Four 3 days red in a row. And all of those, the next day I made money. The next day I made money. The next day I made money. And the next day, tomorrow, I make money. Easy said and done. Period. Tomorrow I make money. Just finished with 10 red days this month. Are your REV could squeeze close to 1045? This will be the corner or the downtrend and support dump squeeze at this time. REV has so many shorts though. Like, in a way, one thing, volume is dying, so that's not a good thing. Like, not even in the little pops back up does it gain volume. Like, this one should have had way more volume than that right there. Let's see the break now. Well, actually, RAV would have to get over 8. I would just have to see RAV over 8. REVB, sorry. 1.8 over 1.8. I'll take an ad here. See if we get that curl up to 1.8. At least get a retest of 1.8. So kind of break up downtrend and see if this one wants to at least recover all the way to 1.8 and give us 1.8 again. Buying that nasty little flush back down to that trend line. See if this trend line wants to hold. If it breaks 165, I'll probably flush hard. Oh, yeah. But I'm trying to see if this break of downtrend here, first 5-minute candle is making a new high, and this is it right here. So see if we open up, at least get 180. If I get 180, I'll call it a trade. But look at this right here at 175. There's a, okay, there we go. Take some profit out there. I'm still holding 500, but can we get back up to that 1.8? Can we get back up to that 1.8, 183? We may or may not break 183, but I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it, right? Here we go. Here we go. Now maybe shorts are a little bit of panicking. Break of this downtrend right here. Got that retest right there. A good entry on this one. So this is what I'm trying to learn a little bit more. You guys know that in this scenario I'd be sitting on my hands like this saying, nah, if it gets over 180 I'll buy it. But now this market is not allowing me to buy these really nice breakouts, right? So I'll try to average in smaller and get in lower entries and see if we can get back up to those levels and already be in profit. So kind of changing a little bit of style, kind of changing a little bit of how I trade, but that's part of the market, right? So like, at least you guys can still hear and see when I'm buying, when I'm selling. So I bought 1,000 shares down there at that 171, and back up to that 179. Now 175, what we couldn't break, possibly hold as support right there. Did you see that bounce? We struggled at 175, but now this candle reclaimed or retouched 175 and see if it holds it as support. Trading with a commission broker is tough during these times. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to just to hold on as much as I can. Okay, so it stopped me. I should have put my stop loss 1 penny under that. I should have put my stop loss 1 penny under that trade, but oh well. 70% of this month have been no trade days for me. That's good, Bradley. That is a lot of patience. So congrats on doing that. Congrats. No trades in this kind of market should be celebrated. So I'm serious. That's good, man. That's good. And then Triumph trading. So Triumph, you said you finished 10 red days this month, but are those red days bigger than your losses, or are they smaller than your wins? How is that? How is your P&L looking compared to your percentage? Because some people are different, right? Some people will take 15 losses, but they're small, and then they have a really good winner, and that would make up for half of that or all of that. As opposed to the opposite, where I'm kind of the opposite. Juan trades. What are you seeing on Tesla? You think we see a bounce here soon? So we had this very nice rising wedge right here. And that is where I called out the short that morning right here, which I did not jump into. So I really am kind of upset I didn't, because that was a nice fade from 734 all the way down. But very nice rising wedge here, so we've fallen out of it. I kind of see this support right here, so maybe it bounces, but then you'd have to find the next channel, right? So that might be those 2 points up here. So if you bounce here, you might get up to that point and then make another channel right there. But if this doesn't want to hold here, then I don't know. If this doesn't hold right there, you'll probably go back down to the 630, 640s. Look at all this room right here to fall down. All the way down to these numbers right down here, 640, 630. Watching for the break of $1 EVFM again. Yeah. I still think now the best play it might be REVB still, which the best play doesn't mean it's a good trade, right? It just means this might be the next one to watch. Which is still holding that 175 on REVB. REVB still holding that 175. British wants to short at 183. Reddish wants to short this at 170. If EVM holds 88.90, area could do another move. Mother of all squeezes to 150. You think so? Let's see. Is it halted right now? No, it's not. Kind of looked like it for a second. You are heading right into resistance on this one though, so if you zoom out a little bit. So I know you're saying that you have this nice squeeze, but look at this right here. So this point right there, right, 1 point, 2 points right there. Pre-market like 4 or 5 touches, so people are waiting to short right there. People are waiting to short that area right there. So I'd be careful on that one. I'd be careful on that one. So profit and loss ratio is fairly positive, around 1 to 1 or 1.5 to 1, but the accuracy is letting me down. But I suppose the resolution on the good trades I'm taking just isn't great. Okay, just keep working on it. It's still good. My profit and loss ratio is worse than that. Like my losses are bigger than my wins, so it's okay. But I shine better with my consistency. So it just depends on what kind of trader, um, and what kind of stuff you like and how you trade. I did take another trade. I don't know if that put me. I don't think that put me in the green, which I really don't care. It's pennies here and there. I'm probably made like 20 bucks. Yeah, $25. I was down 48, now I'm down 23. Reddish, I'll go long where you go short. I do think if REBV goes up and breaks that 83, if you get 84, 85, you might get a nice move on this one. But here's that downtrend. Look how accurately it holds. Yep, just don't think any of this is gonna hold. If this level 165 breaks, whoever called that out, if 165 breaks, you're gonna flush. If 160, there we go. Watch this flush all the way down to 1.5. There it is. Look at that flush. Look at sellers taking profit. Look at just Franza. Don't ego trade, search sniper trades. Only go long if it breaks it. It does and closes the candle on top of it. No, he doesn't. He doesn't wait for those. He just waits for that entry to go in already, where he thinks it'll go down. It'll keep going up, and shorts are already squeezing. So he trades his own strategy based on kind of the same style as mine of shorts covering, but he doesn't wait for candles and jump in later. Just Bronson put a roller coaster for those on YouTube that just goes up like this and then just drops. Yeah. It was working for all of us like a month, 2 months ago when we had at least decent action. I wouldn't say it was the best, but we had decent action. We were all profiting, and I was making money on the long side. And at some point, it ended, and I was like, "All right, I'm done trading this." And then it just started falling. Like I knew exactly where the turnaround was. So, did you buy puts yesterday? I did buy puts on SPY, which don't make me regret selling them. So I bought puts on SPY right here, right there. So I think at some point all through this move I was up about $100, $150. But somewhere in this area, right here. I put a stop loss above break even, so somewhere in that VWAP, like somewhere right there, and I just said if it stops me out, then I'm fine with making 5 or 10 bucks on that trade, just break even. This just did not flush like I wanted it to yesterday. It kept recovering and didn't even rally either. So, but I did go ahead and close them, so I didn't make any money on them, but I also didn't lose any. I think I bought them for $3.18 and I sold them for like $3.20 something cents. But another boring day, guys. It looks like. Oh, I did want to point this out. REV, where was those trades at? So this is the one I kind of started chasing at the opening, right? What a boring day. RAB never touched 183. Damn, what a flush on it. Yep. And now you're hanging. You could still re-add it, honestly, I would think. Because you called that 65 a very nice support. And you're hanging right below 65 and retesting it. So honestly, to me, this still looks like a short play right here. As long as you stay under 65 and holding, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 candles under 65, this will make the next leg down. I would almost guarantee you this is going to make a next leg down. That's what I think. My man, how are we doing today, Mighty Stocks, bro? I'm having one of the. I think actually I'm having. I downsized a lot, so I'm down. I made 77 on this stock. I made lost 73 on this one. I made on DRMA $30 here. So scalping here and there, but I've dropped my share size a lot. I am looking right now at the worst week I've had all year, which I'm down. Look at that short entry right there. If you would have added right there where I just said that 65 is your support. So you flush right through it, close below it, retest it. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles can't get over 65. That's a short entry right there. Put a stop loss 5-10 cents above it and then watch that one fade back down. I would even target 150 down here. Look at that fade, Riddish. Look at that fade, Riddish. Did I not just tell you that trade right there, Riddish? I need to go short, man. Yeah, Choppy, last couple of days, last days of the month, let's lock it in what we have rather than try to be a hero. How did you do today, Mighty? Did you make some money today? British said just come to the dark side, dude. I had that play right there and I would have shorted it. That probably would have been my best trade all day today. That probably would have been my best trade all day. I would have locked half already here and then just let the other runners go. Mighty Socks, how'd you do today, man? Yeah, true, man. You just can't wait until a hot market where stocks usually have continuation from the setups and trading. God knows when that'll be. How much profit would you make, though? Yeah, there's no... Oh, nice. You made 1,000. Good job. Was it on REVB? This move right here? EVFM pushing. Nice. EVFM. Yeah, he took that first REVB move. Why did it zoom out? Oh, EVFM broke that downtrend, guys. Good job, Mighty Stocks. Good job, good job. So now you are, look, what the heck is this song, man? A lot of the times I zone out on what I'm playing and I don't know what I'm playing. But sometimes something is so bad I have to just skip it. I don't know what the hell I was listening to. I was listening to Doja Cat, Boss Lady, Boss Bitch, something. I don't know what it was. Eminem. This is a little better. RDBX also moving. I really don't want to trade RDBX. Actually, today would be the first day you make a higher high. I put profit targets out, but at the moment just aren't getting hit. It's a hot market. I'm sure they'll be hit. Yeah. So EVFM is the one that's making the nice move. Body Funk by Purple Disco. If I play music and I play it out loud, I get copyrighted on the video because it's uploaded to YouTube, which is why I had to stop doing it. Some days I'll put it back to where like people still watch me, just not upload it and then play some music for you guys every once in a while. But it would just keep getting copyrighted. I'll have to check it out though. I'll check it out for sure. Yeah, I can't. EBFM stopping at 98. It's a trading vibe. I'll check it out. Check it out. Awesome. Thanks for stopping in here, Mighty. Appreciate it. So stocks to keep an eye on. EBFM maybe gets that $1 again, but honestly, it might look like DRMA, right? You get really close to it. 98 cents. Look at EVFM. 98 cents pulls back. DRMA 98 cents pulls back, right? Gotta leave a like. 50 people watching and only 7 likes. Come on, people, like. Appreciate it, mighty. Appreciate it. RDVX is moving. So the only thing that I do see on RDBX is if you go to the bigger time frame, you had a very nice downtrend right here, and today is the first day you're actually breaking through it. So that is why it is picking up volume today. So there's that downtrend, pretty clean, right? For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days downtrend. Even looks like a falling wedge, honestly, right? It's getting tighter and tighter and tighter until it can't go anywhere else, and then boom, rips. Falling wedges like this, right to the top side. Rising wedges like this. Rising wedges like this. It's wide and closes tighter, where it can't go no more, it breaks to the downside, right? So rising wedge, downside, falling wedge, upside. Pretty good patterns to find on longer time frames. That Tesla play would have worked out. Actually, and I had it on Neo too. So here's Neo's chart. Here's Neo's chart, right? Here's that high, here's that low. High, low, high, low, high, low. Look at this one. Look how perfect that one is. Look how tight this rising wedge is getting. Tight, 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 tight. Can't go anywhere because it's a rising wedge. A lot of the times it breaks to the downside. So that would have been a very nice short. I'm gonna go ahead. Small red day for me. Good luck if you keep trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Bradley, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I think I'm just getting through this week. On the week I'm down 1,000. Let me see now. Reports year by month, weekly. I'm down $1,081 this week, and that is by far the worst week I've had this whole year. What a shitty day, bro. No trades. Andres, I see that, man. I took a few stabs here and there, but nothing crazy. So I might be calling it a day soon, too. Riddish is the only one that on the short side was able to profit some. Riddish, is there no trades here for Joey as well, dude? Guys, I'm not kidding. A round of applause for everybody that didn't take any trades today, guys. Round of applause for everybody that didn't take any trades today. You're doing something right. Your patience to not take trades is honestly incredible, and I'm not being sarcastic, guys. I'm calling it. I'll be back at Power Hour, but doubt there'll be something. Have a great day, Juan. Good luck, team. Thank you, Andres. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck in Power Hour. If you do see something, I probably won't even come back for Power Hour. I'm just not gonna do that. So I actually have to babysit, not babysit, but I have to dog sit my neighbor's dog today. So I gotta head over there pretty soon too. I told her 11. I don't know what they're doing, but actually, I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that. I don't have to babysit my neighbor's dog. I have to. Christ, man, I don't have to dog sit my neighbor's dog. I have to dog sit my neighbor's dogs. She's got like 6, 7, 8 dogs. What? Okay, Andres. Take care. Take care. You have a good day, man. I'll post it on Discord if anything pops. Awesome. Awesome. She has like 8 dogs. Took one trade only on NRSN at break even of 425 earlier. No other trades. NRSN at 425. Were you able to take some profit off, or was that a losing trade, sniper trades? Oh my gosh. Look at the dark side of trading. Look at the shorting of trading. 666. Oh no, Riddish. And double 7 to add a little bit of luck. Evil 666, and then you're trying to get a 7 in there for good luck. Just getting here. You get back at the market today, Juan? Uh, am I supposed to answer that? Am I supposed to answer that, or can I skip the question? Can I bypass the question? I'm anticipating that uptrend. No, I didn't get back at the market. I've been trading really small share size, somebody, yesterday and today just to get out of this small little rough patch that I'm in and that the market is in, because I know that I can trade, I know that I can make money, but the market right now is not letting me do so. I think they got tired of me stealing people's money, so slowing down a little bit, dropping that share size. I took some trades here, which actually, I'm not gonna lie. Today, the trades that I took, I was able to scale in a little bit lower than I usually do. So this one break at 406. So I was able to get in pretty early on this one right there, 405, 406, on that retest of that downtrend. I rode it all the way up. I think I even re-added, maybe not on this one. I think I was probably up 200, 250 with only a small share size, so it was okay. And then I re-added up here for that new break of 450 or test of 450, but I got caught up in that flush, and that's what took that $250 profit. So right on that one, and then I made a little bit on REVB, 77 bucks over on this side. So anyways, on the day I'm down like 25 bucks. Juan took out at 441 and the rest at break even. Okay, okay. Awesome. So a little bit of profit. So you're giving the rest of us a chance while you lay back. Yeah. Yeah. All you have to do is short where I buy like Riddish, and you'll be up $666 with 77 cents. Nah, I'm kidding. But yeah, and then this one I also had pretty good ads. I think I rode this up here, and then I got caught up somewhere in here, and I took that loss, and then I re-entered up in here, trying to get the break of that 183, which honestly, guys, I have not seen that many candles recently on different stocks to stop at just 1 penny and like have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, right? I guarantee you if I go to AGRX, I will see the same thing right here. Look at this. I have not seen this often in the stock market. DRMA? DRMA made the move? Oh wow, what a nice squeeze on DRMA. What a nice squeeze on DRMA. That ripped all the way to the top side. I'd be careful though, Jesperanza. You've had short. Oh, British, I swear to God, man. You don't let us have a break. British over on Tracecaster just immediately said, I'm shorting the RMA at 1. Jesperanza, what do I see? I see two top intels breaking $1 and closing below. So, I don't know. I just don't trust anything. I don't think I even made a YouTube recap yesterday because of my super small number again. Which, doing it again today. EBFM now. EBFM also. These stocks are squeezing through that $1 on both of them. EBFM, are you in at $1? I mean, Zach, are you in at $1 on EBFM? This is different, right? So look at the two setups. Look at this one. You get that first attempt at $1 and you close above $1. Next candle rips higher, right? And then if you go back and look at DRMA, you get one candle break $1 and pull back. You get another candle break $1 and pull back. After those two topping tails, you pull back, right? But EBFM is the opposite. You guys see that difference on both of these stocks right here? You guys see how one holds $1 and closes above it and the other one doesn't even come close to it? Two times it tries and then it breaks below that. There we go, Zach. Zach waited for that close above 1 on this one and got that retest of $1. I wasn't watching it, but that's a good trade, Zach. Good job. So look at that difference between this move here where you get that close, you really take control of one and watch that next candle, and then look at DRMA where you get two topping tails, two attempts that you break $1, but you never close on top of it, so pulls back down. So EBFM would have been the one to chase. Definitely missed it for sure. I wasn't watching it. I should have put on my side chart since earlier and I just didn't. That was on me. Jesperanza took a loss on that DRMA trade. That's okay, Jesperanza. And then Zach, are you still riding this trade? Shorts keep getting at it at 105. I see an ask of 220, 230, 240. I will be surprised if 205, if 105 breaks. There's a 233 ask. I hope it broke. 105 actually broke. British, stop shorting what I buy. British, you owe Jess Bronson $95, just letting you know. She takes Venmo or PayPal. Sniper Trades looks like he took the trade on EVFM then at 101. Tesla did recover that 666. Rita, especially when you go short, man. What is your target sniper trait? Reddish, I really think when you go short, man, you have the ability to literally fade some of these stocks. Like, literally fade some of these stocks. Like yesterday, AKUS, oh my gosh, you had that entry and you could have written it all the way down. Where to go, 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 where to go. I guess I took it off my watch list. AKUS, look at that fade, man. Right up here in this area, and you would have shorted, even said you got that VWAP short, 650 all the way to down to $5, $1.50. That's a nice move. Oh no, I'm not saying don't close it. Just put a stop loss though. Just take your partial and then put a stop loss. You don't even have to put that stop loss. I mean, I would think, right? So if you shorted at 1, take your profit wherever you took it. Take half of it, even if you took it a little too early. Take half of it, and either you put a stop loss literally at break even. So if you short exactly at 1, put it at 1, or just increase it a little bit and put it at $1 or 97 or something like that, and then write it down, right? So that way, if you stop out, you're still in profit. Or even if you want to play it riskier, put it at 105 or something, and then see if $1 comes back and rejects. You're still in on that trade, but then you still get that flush. That's what I would do if I was to go that short. So you take your profit and either just let a runner go, half of it, a third of it, a quarter of it, or something. Just try it with very small share size, right? Take 75% and leave a quarter for runners. Because I don't know where you covered, maybe somewhere in here, but look at that. And I'm honestly not surprised if EFM doing the same thing. Oh no, I actually held $1. Thanks for the tip, Juan. We'll surely use it in the future trades. Yeah, that makes sense. Just put a stop loss, and I would probably still, no matter what, close it at the end of the day. I wouldn't mess with that on the short side. I wouldn't mess your order not getting triggered at night or not getting executed or skipping it or something, or even that extra fees on that. I would not risk that. So, British, you said your main account's Interactive Brokers, but you use Trade Zero. Oh man, DRMA died. Left 200 on the table. Yeah, you said Trade Zero is your kind of your short account, right? How much how much money do you think I should put in there just to use it for shorts? Not that I'm gonna short every single day, but just to see. Like, can I just put 5K and deal with that? Like, is there a certain restriction that you have to have a certain amount of money to be able to borrow to locate shorts? Like, is there a like you have to have at least a fifth of it or a fourth of it covered in cash or something like that that I don't know of? Because I might just open an account and throw in like 5K, or I don't know if I should put 10K or something like that. I would put 5K probably. Would that work? Dark Trader, that Tesla did rebound pretty nice. No, I know that, but I know as far as locating shorts, I don't know if there's like a certain amount that you have to have covered in cash or something like that. Darth Trader, remember that downtrend on Tesla that I showed you just now? Remember this downtrend? You asked me what my thoughts were. Darth Trader, you asked me what my thoughts were, right? And I plotted this point, I plotted this point, I plotted this point, and I said, if this support holds, you'll be looking at the top side, right? If this fails, you'll be looking at the downside. Look at this on a 5-minute chart. You break below it, you came back, closed above it, and retested it. I haven't changed my line. I have not changed my line. Hold on, I gotta zoom in. I gotta zoom in real quick. I can't see this. I still can't see this. So I was off from 662.08 to 662.12. So I was off 4 pennies. EVFM is rallying again. Holy crap, man! I'm missing everything today. I was off 4 pennies on my trend line to catch that retest of it and spike back up. Maybe I should just trade large caps, man. Maybe I should just trade large caps. EVFM did make that $1 move, held it and came back down. I mean, it came back up. I can't believe your line was that close. I couldn't either. I totally forgot about it. I should have kept looking at it. This is why, like, I keep telling myself I want to find swing plays like this or more plays like this, and I just keep just so focused on these penny stocks and losing money on penny stocks that I totally forget. I had this Neo one too. Look at this Neo trend line that I had. I've had this trend line from this point to all of these. We broke below it, came back above it, and then these last 2 days. We've gone down to it and bounced up, down to it, a little bit off from this one and bounced up. So it could have been good places to buy some calls or something like that and scale in. And this one is also looks like it wants to break a downtrend now. Sniper trades, what's your target on EBFM? Are you out? Are you still in it? Jose Gomez, yeah, that's what I mostly do. Large caps and spike QQQs. Man, I might just be trading those as well, because holy crap. Regrets. Yeah, I see it too. Oh, I forgot I have to go bait. Dog said those 8 dogs. Jesperance is still holding EBFM. Are you making up your loss for that DRMA trade? Are you making up for your DRMA? Yes, good job. Sniper trades, what's your target? Jesperance, what's your target for this one? 110? Look at the ask at 108 on EBFM. I saw 400 and something on there. Now it's 264, 249, 248, 238. I guarantee you I saw 400 and something. $265. The 106, I see that. But that's what you just broke. So I guess you were right, because the second 106 gave out, instant flush to 103 on that 1 minute candle. So I do see that, I do see that. Honestly, it takes a lot of experience, but I don't know how like Ross and the people that are professional, how they type their orders in so fast and like put the price and click limit, or like I don't know how they do it. I've seen freaking Ross's keyboard now when he posts that TikToks or some of his YouTubes, very rare of them, and it looks like he's gaming. He's just like so fast. It's insane. Here we go, back to 108. Ask is at 500, 200, it's gonna break. 70, 200, yeah, it broke. I saw 500 instant down to 200, and then I saw 70, and then it broke. What the heck, Jesse? Jesse is a freaking Tesla genius. Jesse bought puts and wrote it down for 1100, and then Jesse bought calls and rode that move back up for another 500, 600. So now Jesse is up $1,600 today. No, Dart Trader. I'm pretty sure. He uses limit orders. He has to use limit orders because of rebates. He limits orders in. Jesse's over on YouTube. How am I missing this whole move, man? No, you can tell he uses limits because Jess Bronson and sniper traits. Yeah, he gets partial fills all the time. That's why I know he uses limits. Good job, Jess Bronson, and good job, sniper traits. Good job to both of you guys. Congratulations. You guys both took that trade on EBFM at the exact same point of $1 and were able to write that up very nice. Sniper Trade's recovering $900 on that trade. Good job, good job. I even missed a retest of $1. Darth Trader said, Jesse, get over to Tradecaster. This one really is squeezing shorts out. Jess Bronson said, I agree, Jesse. Jesse is the Tesla and D-Dog master. Jesse said, I'm on Tradecaster too, but I watch on YouTube so I can have the stream and app on at the same time. The stream and the app. Yeah, I do see that. It is rallying back up. Red is too strong. What a boring day for me, guys. Congratulations on those that made money. Stream and trading app. Oh, I see, yeah. You trade on your phone? Jesse trades on their phone. I'm pretty sure. I think that's what that meant. That is crazy. They trade on their phone and they're up $1,600. I'm trading on 4 monitors with a laptop on the side and I'm down. Oh my god. Hi, Stormy. Come up here. Come. I forgot I had Tiff Streets. Y'all guys know what Tiff Street is? I have a little bit of a half of a chocolate chip cookie looking thing. Dude, I know some people who are beast on the phone. Dude, this dude I know trades solely on his phone. Started with 10K and in 2 weeks was up 100K trading SPX options. Hey, don't eat my cookie. What the heck, cat? Bro, EBFM is flying. Jess Bronson, Sniper Jets. Sniper Jets, I think you're fully out, right? Jess Bronson, are you still in it? Tesla broken is retesting opening high. Yeah, Tesla did make a nice rally right there. Jess Bronson's still in. What? Nice trade. I would have sold way early already. I would have sold way early. I don't know how you stuck that out. Good job. I want to take a bite of this. Jess Bronson is the diamond hand winner today. No, don't be like some of those Reddit page diamond hand apes who are not gonna sell at all. You gotta take some profit, Jess Bronson. You gotta take some profit. Don't be like. You guys know when I say that idiot that had Dogecoin put 100K in and it was up to like $1 million and he didn't sell at all or something like that? Didn't sold at all, and now he's down back again to what he started with. You guys know who I'm talking about. I don't know his name, but you guys know what I'm talking about. That redhead looking guy with the beard. I think everybody knows him because he became the Dogecoin millionaire or something like that. I saw an interview with him and they were like, do you regret not selling? And the guy was like, of course. Like, I was up $1 million on 100K and never sold. What an idiot. Bro, if I see $1 million on any winning trade, I'm not trading for the next year. Or actually, I'd take out 50 to 100K and just make some YOLO plays, like straight up like buy calls on Tesla this morning for like 50K. I'd be up already 100% on this. So I'm pretty disappointed with today's trading. I left all of this move go. But it's okay. I'm not trying to make a lot of money today or tomorrow. I'm just gonna accept that today is gonna be my biggest red week all year at negative $1,000. I'm okay with that. What did I make last week? I don't even know that I did good last week. No. But the weeks before that I made 2,000, 1,700, 1,700, 1,000. So just these last 2 weeks, 3 weeks have been completely sideways, completely sideways. Which is actually not that bad because I'm only down 2K off my highs. My last 30 days, I was up 8,400 was my max on the last 30 days. Right now I'm sitting at 6,100. If stop out at 1 and wait, hold on, what happened? Sold some at 109, 113, holding half for 122 fill or stop out at 1-1 to secure it. Oh my gosh, you guys destroyed that. You guys honestly destroyed that. Congratulations, Jesse. Jesse said, just do option swings off trends on a few stocks. Don't see the real need to do anything fancy. They also said they would short Tesla at 685, but I'm up too much to trade again, I think. Yeah, I would think so too. I would lock in your 1600 profit today. Although let's look at Tesla. Let's see where the top of Tesla could be. Let's see if I get it right within 4 pennies again, because honestly, let me see. Jesse's fully out of everything. So I do see this trend line here. So one dot, two connections, all in this area, which was choppy. But if we get up to that, I might even jump in on it as well. Which we're not quite there yet. This is more higher towards 688. Just towards 688. It looks like it's closer to. Sniper trades, are you fully out? But honestly, it held 666 very good. So if you were to get in on Tesla up here at that 688, it might just be a small little scalp. I don't know that this will fade again. Darth Trader made 215 profit off of 10 shares in half an hour. Good job, Darth Trader. Good job. Jesse, you can trade nothing but Tesla and do well pretty much every day. It moves a ton. Yeah, I know you can. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day too, guys. I'm not gonna risk another bigger day. I'm just trying to get through this rough patch, and once I see momentum pick back up or something like that, I'll jump into some trades. But I think I will call it a day for today. And let me see. It looks like EBFM, which wasn't even the gapper, ended up being the good stock today, which it looks like it might already be on the backside of it. So Reddish now is going to take advantage of this play and jump in here. But, I mean, here's your uptrend, right? Clean uptrend right there, and you have broken that side of that uptrend. So now you are in the backside of it. So I'd be careful, be cautious with it now if you're going long. Jess Bronson, congratulations on that trade, and Sniper Trades, congratulations on that trade, guys. So you guys stuck it out and had a very nice trade. I don't know. I don't even think I would have held that long. Dang. So good job on that. That's one thing I got to work on a little bit better. And I tried a little bit today. Tried getting lower. Trying to watch this move here on REVB. Didn't play out through this area. I was stopping out. Might have tried it again. Stopped out. Tried it on, what was the other one? NRSN. Same thing here. Trying to see if we get that move back up. This one, I mean, it was right there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's easy 50 cents right there. All the way back up to 43 and $5, which is what I was looking at, but I didn't get it, so I got caught up in that flush. So small loss, but one of these days that I can stick a good trade like that, I might get some good profit. So 750 day is good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So if I was you, I wouldn't even take another trade either. So even though you're seeing EBFM and now you see it's on the backside, I would still just be careful. But Darts Trader, let me see your chart. Is that arrows where you bought and sold? Good job, Jesperanza. Jesperanza went from being down 95 on that other trade on DRMA to being green now on the day because of EBFM. Jesperanza, you do see that though, right? When I saw this, I said be careful. I'd probably stop out, right? So you have one wick over $1, topping tail, close below it. Two wicks over $1, topping tail, close below it. That is a red signal to me, and that was probably why Riddish took that trade short right there as well. You get 2 attempts to break something, and you don't break below it. You don't close above it. Sorry, that's a red flag. That's a red sign. So that's why whenever that happened, I was a little bit cautious when you said you were long on it. And then EBFM, completely different thing, right? Completely different setup, completely different pattern, right there. 1 attempt, break of $1. Very similar setup, very similar price target. Close above $1, retest of $1, and then all the way back up. Even here again, could have re-added at that $1 mark right there, which is the one that I should have gotten into afterwards, but I, I just didn't see it again, guys. I just gotta get through this patch. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. The grass is green on the other side, as people say, right? But I will call it a day. I got a little bit under 20 minutes to get ready and go take care of 8 dogs, man. 8 dogs. I'm going to count them because, actually, hold on. No, I don't remember their names. I couldn't even remember the names of my own cats and my dogs. I get them confused. You want to say bye? Come here, Stormy. Come say bye to them. Say congratulations to Jesperanza, and congratulations to Sniper Trace, and congratulations to Reddish, and congratulations to Jesse. You all made a killing money today. Good job. She's not crying, guys, I promise. She's not crying, I promise. Thank you, kind sir. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Reddish. Good job, man. One of these days, I'm going to open my Trade Zero account. But, did you say 5K would be okay? I know I would only have 3 trades every 5 days, but do you think that's a decent amount? Like, there's no weird thing where you have to have at least cover it with a certain amount of cash or something like that? Okay. I might just put in something like that. Love the cat. See you, man. I said to her, thanks for being in here. Appreciate you coming in on YouTube. Everybody else on YouTube, looks like I got a little bit over 40 viewers over there. Appreciate you guys coming in here. Another small red day, but this is how trading is, right? So you guys know that I make money unless you came in here later on and last week or something like that and have seen me get red trade behind red trade behind red trade. Later, homie. I'll be on the road tomorrow, but I'll be on if I can. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate it. Nos vemos, Jose. Thank you, all of you guys. We will get through this together, team, and once momentum comes back, we're all learning a lot. We're all learning every single day, analyzing charts, and when that momentum's come back, we're all going to take advantage of it and trade and make big profits, right? So hopefully later towards the end of the year, to November, December, I think they tend to pick up again. So we'll see. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to head out for the rest of the day and see you guys tomorrow. So y'all take care. Adios. Adios, gracias. See you guys all tomorrow. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Zach. Just Ronso, Dart Trader. Congratulations to you too. Stormy said, I forgot to tell you, congrats, Dart Trader. Congrats on your Tesla, $200. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good one.